I learned how to make a mini zine, and a mini zine is short for magazine. If you were a teenager in the 80s, maybe you saw some zines at Tower Records, or maybe made some of your own. You'd photocopy them and drop them off there for free. This thing folds up super easy, and then you have pages and you fill them up just like a magazine with what you're doing. So I documented what it's like to work from home, and this is my desk where I spend a whole bunch of time. And other things we're doing, like my son ran this virtual track meet, 800 meters, and we've been watching a lot of TV and learning how to play guitar and play video games on the couch, and a lot of basketball in the driveway. My friend Denny, I think, said it best when it's like working right now. It feels like it takes more work to get less work done. And I still have a few pages to fill in my magazine. Thanks for watching. I hope you stay safe.